All right, Unit 2 project. I've got my Unit 2 project spreadsheet already set up. Let's go and go get our text to copy and paste. I'm going to select it all. Right click and copy. Let's do this. Come on back here to my Unit 2 project tab. Right click in A1 and paste it in. Okay, so we've got A through H, and let's follow the directions and formatting. Formatting directions, the first one, delete the following four columns. So number gets deleted. I right click on A, delete that column, which was the number, the position. I get rid of POS. I'm going to delete that column. The college and the salary. Okay, and it's saying click on column HT. That's the height. So I'm going to use the drop-down menu in column C to sort that Z to A by height. And that should sort it tallest to shortest. Okay. It's not perfect. If you look, Draymond Green is 6'11", so he should be between Shaun Livingston and David Lee, but we'll take care of that later. Okay, so we're going to add a top row, and we click on row 1. Right click on row 1, and we're going to insert a row, insert one above. We're going to merge the cells across the top, A through D, using the Merge Cells button. Type in Golden State Warriors. And we're going to hyperlink this to their website. So I select the title, and we use the link, insert link, and apply that. Okay, notice I can check it up here. It's all hyperlinked. That's my confirmation. And next, direction 5, make the titles in the top 2 rows. So I'm going to select the top 2 rows, all the titles, and I'm going to make them bold and centered. And I can fill with yellow. Okay, notice too, the Golden State Warriors, if I wanted to, I can change that font just like you would in a word processing program. Change the font size and the font. But let's just keep it the same for now. Okay. Okay, now what we're going to do here is Draymond Green. He is 6'11", just shorter than 7'0", but the way that the computer reads, it reads the 1 first, so it puts it under the 6'3". That's just a quirk of how computers work. Usually you use this on a numerical list with a 0, but with this kind of, the way that this height is formatted, we're going to have to take Draymond Green's row and we're going to cut it out. So to do that, I select his row, and I'm going to right click on his row, and I'm going to not just copy it, but I'm going to cut it out. And I'm going to put it above Shaun Livingston by right clicking on row 6. So I'm going to insert one above. So now I have this blank row, and I can click in row 6 and I can paste it in there. And so I've moved Draymond Green into the correct position for his height. So now these players are sorted from the tallest to the shortest. Notice the shortest in the NBA is 6'3", which is a pretty tall person. Okay, now next we're going to select the player names in this column, and we're going to bold and center, fill with blue, and to make it easier to read, we're going to change the text color to white. Okay, and we're going to select the whole table. Clicking and dragging from A1 to D17, and we're going to put borders in. Okay, so now we've got our borders in. And last, we're going to turn on text wrapping because some of the names aren't fitting. So we're going to format, and we're going to text wrapping, and we're going to wrap rather than overflow where it is right now. Okay, so all the names now fit. Okay, that's the end of Unit 2 project. Go ahead and check it against the key.